Hello guys, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing this page, Prince Hamad Habibi, 8.6k followers. Ito, he said, "Welcome to the royal family of Dubai. Hello fans, this is my real page, Prince Hamad Habibi." Ang sarap talagang tusukin yung mga mata ng mga hayop na to. So, let's continue. Let's continue guys. Okay, did you see this one? Prince Hamad Habibi. Take a look. Ang sarap talagang pagsampalin kaliwat kanan, no? You see ha? Again, welcome to the real family of Dubai. Hello fans, this is my real page, Prince Hamad Habibi. So be careful guys. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Of course, if you see this one, if you don't check, you will say that this is the real prince of Hamad Habibi. I mean, the real page of Prince Hamad Habibi. So, okay? Be careful everyone. They are now using the Hamad Habibi's profile. We check this, click the about. Okay? Did you see this page transparency? Touch see all. Ayan ha. This is screen video record. I'm showing this to all of you if you didn't know. So this is the history of this page. Page name not changed. Created Prince Hamad Habibi 18 just this year, January 18, 2025. So take a look guys. This page owned by Nigerian people. Okay? So now they are not using too much photos of Prince Hamad. The Crown Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. They are now changing. They are using the photo of Hamad Habibi, Faisal and Wale. So mag-ingat for your safety online. Check the page before you continue to chat or comment the photo. Again, like the page transparency. You see, Nigeria. People who manage this page, primary country, region, location of people who manage this page includes Nigeria 1. So instead they are using Prince Hamdan Faza, now they are using Prince Hamad Habibi, Faisal and Wali. So take a look guys, this is the truth. This is the truth that this profile managed by Nigeria, not the real owner of the photo. Okay? So good luck na lang sa inyong lahat if you want to be the next Paul. So good luck. Good luck if you don't believe and trust my platform. Have a nice day and God bless.